Hello, my name is Ellie at Seaford MG, and today I'm going to show you around this Peugeot 107 limited edition Sportium finished in Mars Red with a great low mileage at just 35,504. This Sportium comes with plenty of great features, including the chrome bumper accent, the polar white mirror caps, the 5-spoke alloy wheels. Going on to the interior, you've got the cloth seat finish with the white, and then you've also got the air conditioning, electric windows and radio as well. You've also got the tinted rear windows on this particular model. The car is in superb condition for its age. And also we offer a 6-month warranty with the car with plenty of peace of mind. If you do have any questions or would like a personalised video or to book an appointment on the car, please feel free to get in contact. You can visit our website or give us a call on 01323 898818.